This week in the Cafe and Bistro, Executive Director Pete Bolt has put together a great recipe for everyone. One of Pete's favorite dishes is called a horseshoe hamburger, which is native to his home state of Illinois. You start out with some Texas toast and then a grilled hamburger, and you top it with French fries. We used our Reisterstown Farms Liberty Delight ground beef for this recipe, and just our regular French fries. And then a homemade cheese sauce goes on top, right on top of everything. This cheese sauce is made with sharp cheddar, some beer, a little bit of onion, garlic, and some butter. And Pete is very generous with his portions here. This is available Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday in the Cafe and Bistro.